Good morning, students. In this video, I am telling you about the class 4 mathematics. In class 4 mathematics, as I have submitted uh, some of the parts in addition and subtraction. This one is the fourth part in addition and subtraction. In this video, I am telling you about the subtraction. There are some of the terms that are used in subtraction. First one is the minute. When two numbers are given to you, first observe which one is the larger one. The larger number is called the minute. The larger number from which we subtract the other number is known as minute, and the smaller number is called the subtrahend. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend, and whatever be the answer after subtraction, that is called the difference. The result of the subtraction is called the difference between the given numbers. Here I am telling you in a picture about the substance. 9 is the minute because in 4 and 9 is the larger one, so 9 is the minute, and the in 9 and 4 is the smaller one, so it is the substance. When we are finding the difference, 9 minus 4 is 5. That one is the answer. This one is called the difference. So the rule of subtraction without borrowing. In order to find the difference between the two given numbers, arrange the digits of subtrahend under those of the minute in the place value chart. As here one of the example was given to you, subtract 42,365 from 87,596. Here from was given to you. When this from was given to you, it means say. That means you have to write 87,596 first. So first write the place value chart: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. After that we are writing the second number first, that is 87,596. So start writing from the ones place, that is from right to the left: 6, 9, 5, 7, 8. Then we are writing the subtrahend. Start writing 5, 6, 3, 2, 4. After that we are subtracting from starting from the ones place. 6 minus 5, that is equals to 1. Then 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. In 100 place, 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. On 1000 place, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. On 10,000 place, 8 minus 4, that is equals to 4. So our answer is 45,231. Here I have taken the next example. Find the difference between 79,654 and 26,312. Students, first look at the number. Here it is not given from which number you have to subtract. So first of all, compare the digits at the tens place, because both are 5-digit numbers. Here we observe that 7 is greater than 2. That means 79,654 is greater than 26,312. So in this case, our minute is the larger one. Larger one is 79,654. The smaller number is your subtrahend. That one is 26,312. After that, we are arranging the subtrahend and minute in the place value chart. First, write the minute. We start writing from the right to the left: 4, 5, 6, 9, 7. Then the subtrahend: 2, 1, 3, 6, 2. Start subtracting from the ones place: 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, and the 10,000 place 7 minus 2, 5. So our answer is 53,300, 53,342. Here I have given you the assignment for you. Here in question number 9 and 10, minute and substance was given to you. So minute means the larger number and the substance means the smaller number. You have to find the difference between these two numbers. And in question number 11, 12, 13, 14, the question was given, write in columns and find the difference. So the first one is your minute and the second number is your substance. Arrange the number in columns and then find the difference. In question number 15 and 16, as I have explained you example 2, it was not given which one is the minute and which one is the substance. So you have to compare the numbers. As I'm reading question number 15. Find the difference between 13,564 and 34,675. In these two numbers, 30 both are 5-digit numbers. In 1 and 3, 3 is greater. That means 34,675 is your minute and 13,564 is your substance. So you have to subtract substance from the minute. Thank you student for watching this video.